Hello, my name is Andres Real. I am married. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I am 38 years old. I am fiber optic supervisor. I am studying telecommunication engineer at UNAD. I live in Kennedy, Bogota. In my free time, I like to listening to music, playing with my daughter and my wife, going to the park and the mall with them. I get up at 8 o'clock and then I take a shower with cool water and change my clothes. I usually eat coffee and milk with bread and eggs is an omelette. I work in the north of the city and I usually travel on my motorcycle. No, I buy lunch at the restaurant. I eat for lunch soup, rice, fried chicken, sweet plantains and lemonade. I go back home at 7 p.m. I change my clothes, eat dinner, play with my daughter and study for a while. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. I go to the Holy Eucharist on weekends, read with my family, and do university homework. I like to go to the park with my family, to go to the city center to visit museums. The typical food in my city is ajiaco santafereño, rice with chicken and chicha. Thank you.